After spending so much time without an air conditioner, it was finally time. We decided to go with the Chinese version mini split 12 volt AC. We didn't really want to modify the roof or a roof deck, so we decided the back door was the best place to put it. We removed the door panel, removed the insulation, and that's all we had to work with. We reinforced with plywood. This was 1/2 inch. Started drilling holes. Poor Ollie, it's always full of holes. Mounted it on the back. Wasn't as heavy as we thought. Drilled a big 2-inch hole to get all the cables through. Fed all the wires through. They're pretty long. They're 10-foot hoses. Installed the inside onto the panel. Put all the power cables through. We didn't actually put it through this top. We put it through the bottom so that the door didn't have any issues, and we just tie strapped. This cable wouldn't stay up, so we had to remove a piece there on the inside of the door so that it would lay flat once we put the paneling back on. Again, these cables were just so long that as I tried to coil them up in the back, it wouldn't work. So we ended up doing these big 2-inch holes on the door, feeding it from the top through the bottom so it would go around. I'll show it later on. Here's the drain pipe. We did it all the way down the door, and where it comes out, it actually just lands where the weather stripping is and doesn't fall inside the van. Here you can see all the hoses wrapping around the door so that they're much shorter now, and we're able to put the panel back on. We decided to put in an insulated curtain that's magnet so that the only place that needs to be cooled is the bedroom, just the top. So it's such a small portion that we don't have to use a lot of battery. We added oil to the vacuum pump, hooked up all the hoses. We let it run for about 20 minutes to make sure that everything was working properly, then waited 15 minutes to make sure that there weren't any leaks. We vacuumed it again just to be sure. Added refrigerant, went with 2 bottles. Got it up to 40. Instructions said between 20 and 80, so we're good there. Put the lid back on. We had painted it black with truck bed liners so that it would blend in the back and match the running boards on the back. We got this tailored so that it was shorter and we could open and close the fridge. It's running nice and cool. Don't know why we waited so long to do this. It's simple to get on and off the bed with it. And this is what it looks like. And since it's a 12 volt unit with our 400 amp hour battery bank and 400 watts of solar, we're able to run it since it does cycle anywhere between 50 watts and 800. So happy with this decision.